keep trying to do that at certain times. Make more liberatory myself. Be fearless.
No, that's not what I can ask. Sure, Rick. All right, it looks like we're about finished for the day. I'm going to pick up when we left off next week. If I'm not mistaken, Henry's up to Fountain Donuts. Go with me on this meeting, and we're going to throw in a few low-fat muffins.
Are you Rabbi Senda?
Yes.
Can you read this?
Well, the right-hand text is Hebrew, so I can. It's from the Kabbalah. Jewish mysticism. How did you come by this?
Look, I know that this is going to sound crazy. Believe me. But I need an exorcism performed. I'm being haunted by something. I did